Hi, I'm Heather Delmont. I do all the purchasing for the maintenance department here, and I take care of the parts room. A normal beginning of my day is I read all my emails, and then I go into the parts room and I take out all the inventory that was used. So after taking the inventory out, I come in here, I have the list of all the parts used, and then I just compare them with the inventory and the parts room just to make sure everything is correct in our system. So recently, we discovered a system for our maintenance department where the guys can scan all their parts out and also add them to the work orders. So they come over here, they open the bin, and there's a QR code on everything. So when the maintenance department scans out the part number, they were able to add it to a work order. From there, upper management can log on to that work order and they can see the cost to the machinery, the downtime of the machinery, and we can see where we're really spending all our money. With the QR codes, I'm also allowed to cycle count everything on the maintenance system that we recently purchased to make sure that it matches here on our system and in our purchasing system as well.
So you said this machine was down, you couldn't put it on the schedule, right?
Correct.
So the maintenance team brought me over.
Yep.
I'm gonna go ahead and order these pushers so we can get this back up on the schedule.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I also work with the QC department because I need to reach out to all the manufacturers that calibrate our QC scales on a quarterly basis, and then I need to reach out and make sure that our metal detectors and our x-rays are calibrated annually. Once the vendors come here and calibrate everything, we put it in the book and it's ready for all our audit purposes. So once packages have arrived for my parts inventory, Connie will call me, let me know they're here, and I'll come down and get them, and then I'll go put it away in the inventory room. So on a weekly basis, when we're having a lot of downtime on equipment, I will meet with PJ and we'll go over new machines that need to be ordered. So in this room is where we keep all our chemicals. I have to make sure on a daily basis these are stocked. We have two different cabinets. We have non-food grade and food grade, and that's to keep them separate from contamination. Weekly, our forklift tires get used a lot, so we need to be repaired. So a lot of times I will reach out to the vendor who takes care of and PMs our machines and get new tires put on. And that's just a small glimpse of my day of being a purchaser and dealing with all this inventory.